In this video, I'll be showing you how to install CapCut in Windows 11, and of course the process also applies on Windows 10 and also Windows 11. So all you need is internet connection, also a web browser. So for this case, I'll be using Chrome, and then just type CapCut in the browser, and then hit enter, and go for the official link which says https stroke www.capcut.com, and of course it should be the first link. Click on it, and then up above here you can see the download button. Just click on the download right here, and then of course it's going to download, showing how the process is going on. And then when the the process is complete, you can check it out up above here and click here, or you can also just close down the browser and then open up the file explorer and go to the download folder, and this in the right here, click on downloads, and then of course I'm going to cut and paste on the desktop. So I'm going to paste it here, and then just simply double click on it to initiate the installation process. Just give it time so that it completes the installation process, and then we proceed. So once the installation process is complete, CapCut will try to restart, or will try to open automatically. So let's just give it time and see how. So right now it's trying to test if the computer is capable of handling the software. So still going to give it time, so that once the testing process is complete, it's going to automatically open. Now you can see here it's telling me that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So we're going to confirm this, and then of course after it has confirmed that our machine is able of running the CapCut software, so it's automatically going to open the software. So I'll give it time and let it open. So here you can see terms of services and privacy policy. You can click here to read the terms of services. Just I'll click on agree to terms, and then you can also open to create a new project. So you can start by you can now start creating your projects and editing a video once the CapCut software opens up. So let me just close this, and so once you've closed down that, you can right click on this CapCut icon, so that you can paste this on either pin to start, or you can pin to tab. I can pin to taskbar. for easy access. So it's going to pin it down here. So whenever I want to open it, just click down here to open. So that's all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.